Do you find yourself off balance and unable to change directions? Perhaps somebody has told you that you're running through the ball, or maybe as you come to the non-volley zone, people are hitting the ball behind you. You might be having trouble with the split step. Split step? Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. On this channel we have weekly pickleball tips for the player who's over 50. We talk about the latest in gear, instructional tips to help you become a better player, and the fitness knowledge you need to stay healthy and reduce your risk of injury. If you want to stay in the know, hit the subscribe button and then the bell. That way you'll get a weekly notification every Saturday when there's a new video. I recently received an email from John W. asking me to clarify tip number 23 on my list of 31 quick tips to play better pickleball. He asked, CJ, do you mean start or stop? By the way, if you don't already have a copy of 31 quick tips, stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you how to get one. Tip 23 says split step or stop moving when you see your opponent's paddle ready to contact the ball. As I teach people who are new to the game, I'm finding a lot of people who don't come from a sports background, so they really don't know what a split step is, why you need it, or when to use it. A split step is a light hop onto the balls of your feet, creating a balanced position from which you can change directions easily and quickly. A split step is important for a variety of reasons. You're in a balanced position and you're able to change directions either to your right or to your left. Since you've stopped moving, you've lessened the chance of having a ball hit behind you. Equally as important, you'll be less likely to run through the pickleball shot and create an error. One of the Better Pickleball community members, Scott F., made this comment on a previous footwork video. Since I couldn't have said it better myself, here it is. Excellent point on being sure to stop before you hit the ball. Otherwise, you have two forces moving the ball, your normal stroke and your forward momentum. Imagine the number of variables if you try to adjust the stroke as you're moving forward. Doable, but not likely as consistent if you can stop before hitting the ball. Now that you know what it is and why it's important, when do you do it? The best time to do a split step is when you see your opponent's paddle about to contact the ball. The good news is a split step can be practiced with or without a partner, and it's a fantastic way to get your body warmed up and ready to play pickleball. So I start here behind the baseline. As I move forward, I split step and I stop. Couple steps, split step and stop. You'll notice it's a very light bounce. It's not a heavy drop way down here. A light bounce so that I can move from side to side. Start by working your way to the non-volley zone from the baseline and initiate at least 2 split steps before you get there. Once you've done that a couple of times, split step and practice moving in either direction. With a partner, have them stand at the non-volley zone and you work your way from the baseline to the non-volley zone. Watch the paddle and the ball closely. Start your split step when you see your partner make contact with the ball. If you'd like a copy of 31 quick tips to play better pickleball, I've included a link in the show notes below. Tell me about your favorite footwork drill. You never know, it might end up in my next video. One of the fastest ways to play better pickleball is to improve your footwork. Click on this playlist for some suggestions on how to do just that. If you got value from this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.